Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my smart investors from wherever you're watching me from. All right, today is a beautiful day to own a bungalow right here in one of Lagos' fastest growing neighborhoods, which is Ibeju Lekki. It is common knowledge that bungalows are usually forever homes. This is because it is suitable for your retirement. The elderly at some stage will not be able to climb up, and some of them will not even be able to lift stuff from upstairs. That is why I have decided today to bring you this amazing kind of properties. These properties are located in Ibeju Lekki. This part of Ibeju Lekki is called Igondo. So these properties are strictly bungalows, and they are coming to you at the most fantastic prices you can ever imagine. These bungalow units are coming as 4-bedroom, fully detached bungalows. And we have two options. We have the Caracas Option, and we also have the fully finished option. So if you're someone that likes to design your entire space to complete your space to your own lifestyle and choice, then you can go for the Caracas Option. But if, of course, you're the type that likes to have your home already finished and then you just move in, then of course you can also pick the fully completed version. These properties are unique in a very special way. From behind me, you can already see the sample units, and over here we already have the ones that we are constructing. So this is a smart investment in this location because we're going to have a lot of people moving down to this axis. Ibeju Lekki is no longer an assumption. There are lots of people already working in this axis. So it's already something that has been established now. We have a lot of big organizations in Ibeju Lekki, and people working there are definitely going to need places to stay. We have the free trade zone, we have the Dangote refinery, we have the fertilizer plant, and there's also Alaro City and so much more. And recently, also, we have the international airport, which is coming up in Ekpe. People who are going to be working there are going to need places to live. All right. So this place is already existing, and there's already troops of people needing accommodation here. So why would you be missing out? If you do not own bungalows in your investment portfolio, then you are missing out a thing. All right. You're leaving a lot of money on the table, and this is coming to you at the lowest prices you can ever get them. Just look behind me. Look at the style of this property. We already have these two units, which are our show properties or showrooms, we call it. Okay, so we have the completed one over here. So these units are coming to you at 70 million for the Caracas version and 80 million naira for the fully completed version. And the sweet part is that they are coming with also payment plans. All right, 6 to 12 months payment plan. Guess what? It's also coming with some add-ons. The fully finished one is coming with a solar system to give you 24/7 electricity. This estate is going to come with amazing features. There's going to be electricity, there's going to be good security, there's going to be a recreational center, and there's also going to be fiber optic laid around all the estate. So it means you're going to have seamless connectivity. All right, so you have nothing to worry about. If you're someone or the type that works from home, you want to have connectivity all around, then there's a fiber optic option here that gives you that flexibility and also that freedom. All right, look at from this video already, you can see how massive the space here is. Okay, so each unit, the space outside can actually comfortably take nothing less than 3 cars. It's going to be good road network right here. The best time to always buy a property is that initial stage because you'll be enjoying a lot of things. When buying properties initially, remember that the location or the surrounding do not always look nice, but for you, smart investor who is buying, you should look beyond the now and see the future of what you're buying. So let's go. Hang on with me. Let me turn this camera around. Okay, for clarity's sake, I would like to show you the road that brings you to this place. I know a lot of realtors will not show you this, but trust me, I am going to let you understand what your investment is all about. Okay, so this is going to be the main gate of the estate. and this is the location. Ibeju Lekki, we all know, is already a growing location. So yes, it's no longer bush. This road here, from here, if I zoom closely, I don't know if I'll be able to get the major road. Straight down takes you to the major road. You can see there are already companies here, there are houses that you get. So this place is not bush. It's not. This road here, that mast you're seeing is on the major express road. Okay. So once you drive down Igondo bus stop, this property is powered by AY bonds, so you have nothing to worry about. All right. So this is the bungalows. This is the entry gate. Okay. So what we're providing you here are homes, not just houses. We are providing you legacies you will be proud of to own. Okay, so if this looks like an investment you would like to pay into, all you need to do is give me a call on the number showing on the screen. The Caracas options are going to come as Caracas. You need to complete the other phases of the house to your own taste. Okay, so you can see our men are working to make sure that we deliver. So let me see if I can show you some other parts of the estate. Today is a Saturday, but we're here working. You can notice over from here, you can see the suspended style. So you see the bungalows are suspended. This is for future sake, to control flood and to make sure that you are safe, not the type that houses that you buy at the end of the day there's flood issue. So other units that are still from here, you cannot see that there are houses all around. This is a developing location. So for small starters and for people that are looking for investment, it is good for personal use. It is good for investment options as well. Look at the height of the foundation is amazing. Once again, these properties are coming with a certificate of occupancy as the global title, all right, and also government allocation, all right. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So let's go in a bit to go see the interior of your next investment and what it looks like. Don't miss out on this deal. All you need to start is an initial deposit of just 15 million naira. You can spread your payment for up to 6 months, 0 interest, or you can do 12 months with minimal interest. If you're coming across my video for the very first time, my name is Joy, and here I bring you properties in Lagos State with good titles, in great locations, and also the very best of deals. Properties you do not have to worry about titles because they're coming to you with clean title. Like this one is coming with certificate of occupancy as the title and also government allocation. All right, so in a bit I'm going to turn the camera around so I take you inside to see what the interior looks like. Let's go check it out. Okay, so let's go in. This is your main entrance door. Take a look at your main entrance door, what it looks like. And over here is your little sit out, and that's your POP lightings to give you security light outside. And once you come in here, you get to meet your anti-room. This anti-room can be designed to in a way that when your visitors come, you can host them there. Those you don't want to enter your personal space, okay, you can just put a chair there or a seat to be able to accommodate your visitors. You don't want to come into your personal space. So then this door now is the second door that introduces you into your main living area. Okay, so let's check out the guest room toilet. This is the guest toilet on your left once you just come in to the second door, and then we're going to go into your living room, which is on the right. This is your living room. Okay, so this living room is our showroom. I told you we have a showroom or show house that has been completed to give you a view of what your own
personal space can be like when you design it. Okay, this is beautiful, quite spacious, with a floor to ceiling window, which also serves as a door, massive glass door, to give you a very good view of your exterior. And then also there's another window by the dining area. Okay, so you see your living room is well lit, and look at the size. I'm trying to give you a good view to show you how spacious this living room is. Okay, once again, this is your dining area, and from this dining area it cascades into the kitchen area. But let's have a good view of this living room once again before we take a walk into the kitchen. Okay, you can see this is well finished, spacious, and also I love the color of the choice of color, the white. It gives it this beautiful aura, and also it makes the house look lit and gives it this feeling of life. And I don't know, there's just something about white coloring for interior for me. Okay, so let's walk down into the kitchen area. Okay, this is your kitchen. The kitchen is cut in a way that it cascades further down to the other side, and your kitchen is going to come as a fully fitted kitchen. It's going to come with this equipment you're seeing. It's coming with a microwave and an oven, and also comes with a gas burner. Okay, and also that's kitchen island. This is your solar panel. This is your solar energy rather. I told you that the completed version comes with a solar system. Okay, so that's your solar system over there for the completed. That's if you're going for the completed version. All right, so this part of the kitchen, you can design it in a way that suits you. If you don't have space enough here, or if this place looks choked, you can put your refrigerator around here, okay, or your freezer, however. So this is the first room we're looking at, and this is another room. This is the second room. Okay, so and that is actually the master bedroom. This is the third room. Okay, remember I told you there are 4 rooms all together. 4 rooms all together. So look at your master bedroom once again. That's the primary bedroom. It's bigger than the others. That's why I just wanted to have you look at it once again before we go to the 4th room. Remember, we've already quickly checked out 3 rooms there. So take a view once again. Then we walk down this corridor back to where we have the dining, and then on the right we have the solar panel and the solar energy, and this is your 4th room. This 4th room is closer to the entrance. You can actually decide to use it as your guest room. You see, it's close to the living room while the other 3 rooms are inside. So if you want to have a guest room, you can use that. So we're going back outside.
Bungalows are usually suitable for young families and also suitable for the elderly in time of retirement. All right, bungalows usually get sold out in time because of these reasons. And these bungalows I'm bringing to you are very unique. If you look at it from this video, you can see this style of this one is very unique. And these are not your regular bungalows. These ones are coming to you as 4-bedroom, fully detached bungalows. And we have 2 options. We have the Caracas, which is the half-finished one, which you can complete if you're someone that likes to finish and complete stuff with your own style. And we also have the fully finished versions. Each bungalow is sitting on a 300 square meter plot of land. that is quite big enough to give you enough space for your parking and also for your kids to play around. This is an investment opportunity you should not leave on the table. To own a unit or more, call me on the number showing on the screen. Let's bring you for a physical inspection or a virtual tour if you're not around, so we can help you seal down our own one or more of this unit. Ibeju Lekki is a developing location. It's actually one of Lagos' most prized location because it has a lot here. There's a refinery, there's the deep sea port, there's the fertilizer plant, there's also Alaro City, that's the free trade zone, and also very close to the upcoming international airport. So this is an investment you should not leave on the table. And this location is also one you must own investments in Lagos State. If you have not owned before, do not miss investing in Ibeju Lekki. All right, we have come to the very end of the store. If this investment option looks like something you would want to key into, I have given you all the briefs you need to know about. It's located in Ibeju Lekki. We are giving you here 4-bedroom, fully detached bungalows, suspended style of bungalow. We have ongoing units, and we are giving you 6 to 12 months payment plan. 6 months is interest free. If you know Ibeju Lekki, you would know that this investment is one you should not leave on the table. You should actually rush it. You can pay 0 to 6 months, 0 interest, okay? 4-bedroom, fully detached bungalows. Caracas Option is going for 70 million, while the fully finished option is going for 80 million naira. 15 million naira initial deposit gets you started on your investment. You can spread for however you want it, 6 months or 12 months. And also the option you pick is according to your preference. If you want to complete your units yourself, go for the Caracas Option so that you can get to complete your unit, do your entire fittings yourself. And if you're also the type that just wants to buy a completed house, then go for the fully completed version, which is 80 million naira. Whichever one you're going for, you have the 6 or 12 months payment to pick from. Title covering it is certificate of occupancy and the government allocation. 15 million initial deposit gets you started, and you can spread however you want it, okay? A fully finished version is coming with a fitted kitchen, a solar powered system to give you flawless electricity, and also the estate is coming with some communal features, like it's coming with good roads, it's coming with CCTV surveillance, and also coming with good security. And there's also going to be a recreational center, so you have nothing to worry about, okay? This is also being handled by a company that is credible. I understand you are afraid of owning properties in Lagos. Some of you may have been burnt, and some of you may have actually lost your money. But this is a legit property. And besides, you also have me to guide you and hold you by the hands and make sure that you get the very best of investment right here. I understand that real estate investment is a capital-intensive project that people spend their money in. It could be their life savings. And I understand all of that. That is why I always make sure I show you everything that has to do with the property, the intricacies that no one else will get to let you know about. Once again, my name is Joy, and thank you for watching. If you have watched this video to this part, then it means you have seen most of what I have showed you. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts that you need to be cleared, then do not hesitate to give me a call, and also you can also chat me up on WhatsApp. Let me guide you on this journey so that you have a seamless purchase, okay? If you have anyone that would be interested in owning real estate or purchasing real estate, either from here or any of our listings or anywhere else, do not hesitate to share this video and get to the person so that we can also help them in their investment journey. All right, so thank you for watching, everyone. Do well to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not, so that you can always get our videos anytime we post them. All right, bye everyone.